Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, this is George Blanchard showing off for lesson 5 of the project. My recorder decided to die on me the last time, so now I'm super eager to make this go more quickly so that I can go to bed. So, for this project, being the big nerd that I am, I thought that I would show off the joy of my friends and our D&D characters in our various campaigns. So the collections that I have for you today, we have characters and players. So we are just going to be extra efficient here. Boop a doop a doop. Make things happy so I can show these things to render. Okay. What's wrong with you? Oh, okay. Okay, I'm in the wrong thing. Oh, jeez. Okay. I'm being silly. I'm being silly. I'm sorry, folks. I'm wasting more of your time, my precious viewers, due to me being silly. Okay, so while that is being pushed, while render is figuring itself out again, let us go into things. Okay, so we are playing with. First of all, we have I've implemented Mongoose, which is something that I was avoiding for a little while. I found out that in doing so, there are a few things that I wasn't doing right for myself. I like that with it now, I am capable of, while I'm beholden to having these schemas and abiding by them, that also means anyone that wants to play with my database is forced to do the same, which is nice and good. It means I'm unlikely to have my programs that fail on me because people are using my stuff badly. Anywho, okay, so let us show off what we have going on. I think we need to pop in a new terminal now with all the playing around that I've done. So, let us show what we can do in the local host while I imagine our render is still playing around here. So, we have a list of characters, of lovely D&D characters. We have character name, player name, race, class, level, alignment, and stats. Oddly enough, in Mongoose, they actually, portray the way I want them to with, stats at the bottom and everything else on top. For some reason, with the JSON here, and our REST client likes to do the opposite, but that is okay. So, we can pull everyone. We can pull single people. We can add in new people. And something else we've done at great expense to our sanity, we have slapped in a patch method, which allows us to change, if we want to, only certain things about the character. So, Oldemon here, he's great and wonderful, but being possessed by the evil spirit of the Leader, this will give him great power in some areas and great problems in others, as we can see. So, as we slap this patch on him, something that we will see is that his player name is the same, his race, his class is the same, but everything else has in fact been changed. So we're able to, with the patch method instead of put, we're able to pick and choose what we want to change, what we want to play with. And we can even, at the end of this process, we can take our lovely guy infested by the Leader and kill him off here. Bye-bye. So not only can we delete our people and know that we did it, we can also find out if we can't because we already got rid of them. One more thing to show off, because I think it's a thing in our in my thing here. We are sending a 2-1 status by creating these characters. We're also sending off, relevant. Oh yeah, you're going for. But we'll see. We're also sending relevant statuses for whatever we are doing. If we patch, we're getting 200, things like that. So, anywho. So, for our players, we can get our lovely players. We are able to get them individually as we like. We are able to create new. How fun is that? We can change these guys around. So for here, we're only going to change player name, character name, campaign. So bam, and just as sort of an afterthought, let's prove that these things are actually being done here. So boop a doop a doop. Are we okay? Are we showing this? Are you going to the place you're supposed to? What is going on here? What is happening? Oh yeah, okay. You're the ID for this second one here. Okay. Let us show that we can update this guy, right? This guy here at the back. Let's show it off. Let there be no doubt. Let there be no doubt of what we are able to achieve if we believe. Okay? Our guy here at the bottom, bam. Transformed forever, folks. You gotta love it. You have no other choice. Okay, so let's see if these things work in render now. Are you ready, dear friend? You sure are. You sure are. Okay. So, all of these things are able to happen in render. We're able to get our characters. We're able to get individual characters. We're able to post new friends. We are able to forever mangle and change up our new friends. Okay. This guy, our lovely girl, Arilladil here, our paladin sorcerer, she's going to be transformed into the mighty Gremweld. However, she's going to keep her name and race, but her profession is going to be changed forever. She's going to get quite a downvote in level, no alignment, and she's going to have some changed stats. So, as we can see, some things about her have stayed the same. Some things have most certainly changed. So, there is that render can also play with players, yada 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 yada. But the most important thing, folks, forget all this. Okay? After what Rest did to us last time, alright? This is a thing of the past. Okay? So, time to show you what we really got going on. Okay? Now, I think, if we reload this, Swagger will actually work. So, let's test this out. Are we able to pull all of our lovely, beautiful players? Uh-oh, you're thinking about this too long. I don't like that. Okay. Alright, we're going to pause and take care. Faster, you. Faster. I haven't gone all night. Faster, I said. Or else. Alright, folks, like we mean it this time. Let's go. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Alright, what can possibly go wrong? What can possibly go wrong? Are we good? Oh baby, we're good. Oh, we're good. We have everybody. Oh yeah, in all their glory. In all their glory. Alright, let us show the world the mightiness of Cinepool and his stat array that I haven't played out. Yeah, sure. Let's try to post him. Will he post? He sure will. There he is, folks. In all his glory. In all his magic. In all his majesty. There he is. Okay, so we are able to add people with Swagger. We are even able to get these people up. So let's see who's going to be our latest victim. This copy of Amun here looks like he's too happy by himself. So sandwich between one copy of Amun and one copy of Liedler here. Actually no, something that'll be easier to see. Okay, yeah, this guy number 5 right here. Okay, he's going down. He's gonna be transformed forever. Boop a doop a doop. Become Cinepool, my boy. I demand it. Alright. Has he, in fact, done his duty? Why, yes, he sure has. Don't you love it, folks? So, we are also able to, show that we can just, delete him off entirely. Doop doop. So bop, 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 bop. Goodbye, my friend. Can we delete the guy that we just deleted? Nope, we sure can't, because he's already gone. What about players? Yes, we can pull all of you guys. Yes, we sure can. We can mess with you guys and change you up. What's that, Ross? You are no longer the player of Balthazar. You are George, the player of Cenacle. Read it, wait, baby. Yep, he sure is. How do you like that, folks? And sure enough, booty boop. George, player of Cinepool, and the Triple S campaign. How do you like it? Okay. And we can even delete our own people just the same, because why not? I may not be He-Man, but baby, I have the power. Bop. Okay. So, let's see, is there anything else I must say, or am I finally free of this? Okay. Yes, render config vars being used. Yes, they sure are. Look at it in all its glory. I have my getignore is not showing my lovely env file, nor is it showing, my node modules here. None of that's being pushed to GitHub. We are being very safe. Yes, we are posting, we are getting, we have our API docs, our lovely swaggers working out just fine. We have a REST file, we have routes for localhost and render that we saw. So, with that, ladies and gentlemen, it is time for bed. So, have fun, good night, praise God, don't do drugs, stay in school, good night.